I really ripped this out. This is actually the first time I've had a bumper off a V. Looks a little weird.
Just turn it down. Carlos, I know you're gonna see that. That was a little sketchy. All right, it was a good event. Car did good. I went through a set of tires. I didn't want to change tires. We're running out of time. There's only like an hour left. No point in doing that. But car worked. I like running grippier tires, the Kendas and stuff like that. But these Lionhearts, they did the job. Got some seat time, had a good time, and the car's in one piece. There's really no issue other than ripping the rear bumper off. And when I dirt dropped, blew half the bumper off, but it's still fixable, so I took it all off completely. And then other than that, there's really nothing else that I feel like the car needs. It ran good. I have nothing else to say. I'm glad we got some seat time. I'm glad that everything held together and it's a successful night. And maybe with the bumper off, I'll finally build a bash bar for this thing. We'll see. But other than that, it was a successful night, and that's about it. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed some drifting content finally, and we'll see what we're jumping into next with this or the 3000 or whatever it may be.
All right, real quick as I wrap this video up. So, damage report on the Drift V. So, I dirt dropped, and I had already ripped this off at Englishtown, this little mount here. So it was a little floppy. I had a zip tie holding it on. So when I dirt dropped, it just blew the bumper off. It ripped the mounts out right here, just on the plastic part. So we just unbolted on that side, unbolted on that side, pulled it off for the rest of the night. I didn't want to ruin it. I wanted to make sure I didn't destroy it past the point of fixing it. But again, I can fix it. I just need to probably do a little plastic welding again, just to fix the factory mounts and get it mounted back up. But I figured this could be a good time to start looking into potentially doing a bash bar with a jack point, because this is the first time I've ever had a V rear bumper off. So I also noticed, so this car has some rust that we are going to address in the future. And I noticed that this is a terrible, terrible design here. So down in here, you see there's a little mud dauber nest in there, but if you look down in there, there's like a pocket that goes all the way across the back. Really stupid. And it's a perfect spot. There's like no drain holes or anything, but a perfect spot. Now this has some dirt and debris in there. No rust because it's never seen salt, but I would be willing to bet that when if I pull the rear bumper off this car, this area is going to be gross. Absolutely disgusting. And I'm almost afraid, like I know I'm going to be able to fix certain parts of this car that I'm aware of, but I'm almost afraid that with this car, once you start peeling off the layers of the onion, I start finding rust that is going to be much more difficult to fix. And then I'm hoping, keeping my fingers crossed, I don't ever get to that crossroad of, is it worth fixing, or should I reshell the chassis or reshell the drivetrain and, buy another roller? That's kind of the decision I had to make with the Suburban. It was a hard one. That's how we ended up with the Escalade. However, I'm never getting rid of a V1, like I did the Suburban. So one last time, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the drifting video, and I will see you guys in the next one.